You are looking into one of the 5 pits at the Cripple Creek and Victor mine, also known as CC&V. In the mine site pits, we drill, blast, load, and haul the earth to extract gold. Notice the step-like structures in the pit. These are called benches. As we mine deeper, each bench is a measure of the quantity of material we have extracted for producing gold. Let's take a moment to look at why this particular area is permeated with gold deposits. The Cripple Creek volcanic complex formed around 28 million to 32.5 million years ago when molten rock pushed to the Earth's surface, creating volcanic flows and magmatic intrusions covering 7 square miles. This volcanic complex was mineralized by gold fluids flowing through the rock, creating the Cripple Creek gold deposit. Now, let's fast forward to the year 1891, when news got out that local miners had struck gold, and the Cripple Creek gold rush was on. At the height of the gold rush in the early 1900s, the area had more than 500 mines with thousands of miners and a population of more than 50,000 people. By the year 1910, the region had produced over 20 million ounces of gold and was nicknamed the world's greatest gold camp. Today, that grand gold tradition continues at the technologically advanced CC&V mine, which operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. The gold mined here can be found in many different applications, from the circuit board in the phone in your hand to the visor of an astronaut's helmet beyond the stars. And while we mine, concurrent reclamation is taking place. This means we are restoring habitat in areas we're not currently mining, while continuing to develop mineral resources elsewhere on the property. Through our reclamation process, this area will eventually be used as rangeland and a wildlife habitat. Now let's take a quick look at what will happen to the CC&V mine in the future. Newmont has committed to reducing our greenhouse gas emissions by more than 30% by 2030, with the ultimate goal of net zero carbon emissions by 2050. We are demonstrating that commitment at CC&V through an industry-leading strategic initiative with Caterpillar. The initiative involves zero-emissions mining through the implementation of fully autonomous haul trucks. This means there is no driver on board, which improves mine safety and efficiency. The mine will continue to operate as long as possible, and then will be closed in a sustainable manner. This requires careful planning, which is already underway, to ensure that the site is returned to an environmentally friendly state with a focus on soil stabilization, landscaping, and water management, to restore the location to a healthy and diverse ecosystem. Thank you for visiting us at CC&V. We're proud of our world-class operation, and we appreciate this opportunity to share it with you. Enjoy seeing the local sites as you continue on with your journey. This location is part of the self-guided tour around Newmont's CC&V mine. Other stops, shown on the map in front of you, are strategically located around the perimeter of the mine. Each stop gives you an opportunity to learn more about mining, past and present. CC&V's operation is a continuation of the area's rich mining heritage, and we are committed to our Cultural Heritage Management Plan, which evaluates, documents, and identifies historic structures that can be efficiently preserved. Since the dawn of modern mining at CC&V in the 1990s, the company has made significant investments in mining heritage preservation by moving and restoring more than 30 historic structures throughout the region. Many of these structures you will see along your tour. In addition, CC&V works with the Southern Teller County Focus Group to manage more than 12 miles of trails along its boundary property, providing safe access for recreation and historic mining education. Be sure to visit the Trails of Gold website for more information and trail maps. We hope you enjoyed the tour.